so fresh, so sweet. Father, we thank thee for the song of bird, hum of bee, for all things fair we hear or see. Father in heaven, we thank thee. The blue of stream, for the blue of sky. Father, we thank thee. For pleasant shade of branches high. Father, we thank thee. For fragrant air and the cooling breeze. For beauty of blooming trees. Father in heaven, we thank thee. For you, this new morning, with its light, Father, we thank thee. For rest and shelter of the night, Father, we thank thee. For health and food, for love and friends, everything sigh and goodness sends. Father in heaven, thank thee.
Thank you.